this informative tutorial, we will guide you through the process of designing a premium and high-end brand logo using BI characters. Join us on this creative journey as we demonstrate how to effectively utilize the powerful editing app, PixelLab. Creating a visually appealing and compelling logo is essential for any brand looking to establish a strong identity. We will explore various techniques and tips to ensure your logo stands out from the competition. By incorporating BI characters, we can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to elevate your logo design. PixelLab, a user-friendly app with a wide range of editing tools, will be our go-to platform for this logo design process. It provides a seamless editing experience and enables you to add stunning effects, typography, and artwork to your logo. Throughout this tutorial, we will delve into the significance of a high-end logo design and its impact on brand perception. You will learn step-by-step how to conceptualize, sketch, and digitize your logo using BI characters within PixelLab. We will cover essential design principles such as color selection, typography, and scalability to ensure your logo looks spectacular across various mediums. By the end of this tutorial, you will gain a thorough understanding of the logo design process and have the skills to create your own premium brand logo. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced designer, this tutorial provides valuable insights and techniques to enhance your logo design abilities. Don't miss out on this opportunity to unlock your creative potential and craft a standout, high-end logo with BI characters using PixelLab. Watch the tutorial now and take your brand to the next level. Welcome to the BI characters tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to design your high-end logo using PixelLab. Let's get started. First, open PixelLab on your device. Next, select the Text option and choose a stylish font for your logo. Type in your brand name using uppercase letters. Make sure it fits nicely in the center of the screen. Now, let's add some character to your logo. Click on the Stickers option and choose from a variety of icons that represent your brand. Place the icons strategically around your brand name, creating a unique and visually appealing design. You can resize and rotate the icons to achieve the desired look. To enhance the elegance of your logo, click on the Effects option and choose a gold or silver texture. Apply it to your brand name and icons. Feel free to experiment with different effects and colors until you achieve the perfect high-end look. Once you're satisfied with your logo, click on the Save button and export it in high resolution. To enhance the elegance of your logo, click on the Effects option and choose a gold or silver texture. Apply it to your brand name and icons. Feel free to experiment with different effects and colors until you achieve the perfect high-end look. Once you're satisfied with your logo, click on the Save button and export it in high resolution. Congratulations! You've successfully designed a premium brand logo using PixelLab. Now you can use it on your website, marketing materials, and more. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more design tips and tricks. Welcome to our tutorial on designing your premium brand logo featuring BI characters with PixelLab. In this comprehensive video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of creating a unique and visually stunning logo that will perfectly represent your brand. Our expert instructors will demonstrate how to use PixelLab, an incredible graphic design tool, to bring your logo ideas to life. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, this tutorial is packed with valuable insights, tips, and tricks to help you create an exceptional logo. We will delve into the fundamentals of logo design, including color theory, typography, and visual elements. You'll learn how to combine various elements to design a logo that encapsulates the essence of your brand and resonates with your target audience. Throughout the tutorial, we will demonstrate the flexibility and versatility of PixelLab, showcasing its powerful features that allow you to effortlessly manipulate shapes, text, and images. You'll discover how to utilize filters, effects, and layer blending to add that premium touch to your logo design. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have gained the skills and knowledge required to design your very own premium brand logo using BI characters, and you'll be equipped with the tools to create an authentic visual identity for your brand. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your brand's image and make a lasting impression in the market. Join us now and let's embark on this exciting design journey together with PixelLab. Welcome to this tutorial on how to design your premium brand logo using BI characters with PixelLab. Are you looking to create a strong and recognizable logo for your brand? Look no further, because in today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step process to design a premium brand logo using BI characters in PixelLab. Step 1. Open PixelLab on your device and create a new project. Choose the canvas size according to your preference. Step 2. Select the text tool and type in your brand name using a bold and attention-grabbing font. It's essential to choose a font that reflects the characteristics of your brand. Step 3. Once your text is ready, we'll add some uniqueness to it using BI characters. These characters will help you stand out from the competitors and add personality to your logo. Step 4. Click on the emoji button in PixelLab and browse through the vast collection of BI characters. Select the ones that align with your brand's values and add them strategically around your text. Step 5. Play around with the arrangement and sizing of the characters until you achieve a visually pleasing composition. Remember, balance is crucial in logo design. Step 6. To further enhance your logo, you can experiment with different colors and gradients. Choose a color scheme that resonates with your brand's messaging and evoke the desired emotions. Step 7. Once you're satisfied with the overall design, export your logo as a PNG file. This will ensure that the logo retains its high quality and transparency. And there you have it. You've successfully designed your premium brand logo using BI characters with PixelLab. Remember, a great logo is a powerful tool for branding and recognition. Take your time and experiment until you achieve a logo that truly represents your brand's identity. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more design tutorials and tips.